Okay, so now we're going to compare hip action from Zook's with Newman's Own snack sticks, chicken and rice recipe. And we're going to see which one our reviewers like best. The hip action is kind of moist. It's not hard, crunchy. And this is the stick, and for test purposes I'm going to break it in half. Alright, let's call the reviewers in. Bailey. Hi. Hey there. Let's see which one you like. Which one? Oh, she took the Zook's. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, let's try our picky one. Okay, River, which one you want? Oh, she took Newman's Own snack stick. Alright, now we're going to see if this was just a fluke, because it wasn't quite as definite as I like to see. Alright. Bailey, which one you want? Well, she started to go for the stick, and then she went over and she got the hip action treat. This is the beef formula, by the way. Alright, let's try again with River. Okay, River, which one you want? Ah, she smelled the stick and went for the hip action too. I would say Zook's hip action beef formula is the winner today.